video. So pwede nakikita niyo ako sa mga kung saan, TikTok, GMA, kung saan ganyan. And today, ayan, maglalaro tayo ng mga pamalakasan. And of course, we have Roxy. Right now, so Roxy, may message ka ba sa ating mga beautiful persons in the morning?
Okay guys, I just want to say thank you to the hot sponsors, volunteers, donators, supporters, at sa mga bata, I have a special message for you guys. Just stay strong, have hope in God, keep praying all day, and also don't forget to have fun.
Yes! Have fun talaga ang atake natin. Thank you so much, Roxy, for that wonderful message sa ating mga kids.
For Child House family, thank you, Ma'am Roxy and the family, and to the people that make this possible. Marami, and God bless all of you.
Yay!